line here. Increase the size of the text to stretch it, make it fixed, and there is the layer style. We'll go to the layer style, inner shadow, inner glow, outer glow. Here we will take for that text. We will take that gradient to increase the glow. Separate 17% increase the size of that. We will choose the different mode. We will use it a hard light in this way. As you can see how it is looking there. We can stretch it